What up, YouTube? Mike and Steve here at Old City Fishing. About 5:30. Trying to see if we can get something out of Lorimore Park today. Stretch a penny pack. Second case of the day. Looks pretty good. Top water grub tail. Oh. The good old trusty zoomy grub tail for smallmouth fishing penny pack. Leo Shang likes his Senko. We like the zoomy grub tail. Oh no, nice cast. First time we fished Lorimore in a while. I think it was actually. Possible rock bass. It was some type of panfish. Tell you what, dude, they're popping the surface over there. Oh, Steve, look at the size of that fucking smallmouth. Oh, he's swimming right at us, though. Oh, he's on us. YouTube, I'll be back. YouTube, he gets into a nice one. Absolutely inhales it. Oh man, he's a pounder.
Oh, he's down. Yeah, he's down. I'll hurt yourself, buddy.
Here, need a hand. No, he is definitely weighable.
Oh yeah.
Oh dude. Oh yeah. Here, you gotta turn around. The sun's kind of blocking the shot here. There we go. Wow, what a nice fish. There you go, YouTube. Smallmouth fishing, Pennypack Creek. Zoomy grub tail compared to Senko. That's us. That's a great fish, Steve. Yeah, let's weigh him.
Take one of these.
I tried to take a picture. I don't know if it did it, but we're filming.